using reservoir cover, so it's for Letisha's Ralliart. I have my reservoir painted black, so it's not as much of an eyesore, but yeah, I'm sure you've seen them. They are like a yellowy colour. They're not really very clear. They go yellowy after a while. So yeah, we've got this Clubspec cover that will use the factory bolt locations and just bolt in. So yeah, we just went for a bit of a drive, picked that up. Going to head home and install that now. It's on our first drive in my car after installing the catch cans. So I just need to stop off at Bunnings on the way home. I just need to get some hose clamps to put on there, and yeah, just want to secure that a little bit better than the clamps it comes with. So yeah, when we get home, I will show you in better detail the cover that we've picked up from AK Racing, and we'll put it on Letisha's car and see how it looks. So we'll continue on from there. Alright guys, so here is the cover. That's where it goes. So basically it couldn't be easier. It's going to just slot down. Take the lid off, but let's remove these two bolts. It does come with new fittings, but here's a look at the item itself. It's got this little Clubspec badge. It's powder coated black, so it'll match in with everything else in here. So yeah, I'll just grab I think it's a 10mm. I'll grab a 12 as well just to be safe, and take those two bolts. Okay, so yep, 12mm bolt to hold this in. Grab those out and sit them here. Get our cover. I'll pull our lid off, which I probably should have done first. Now, it did come with this new bolt, which I guess we'll use. Alright, so that's in. Tighten these new bolts. Put our lid back on. Alright, there we go. It's on. Obviously you can see the fluid levels down here. Something nice and sturdy. Has a nice powder coated finish which matches the catch can quite well. It looks a lot better. Really finishes off the engine bay. It was the one thing sort of that she really wanted. The only thing left that I'd like to do now is to do the same I did and paint this fuel rail. Probably go black. Tuck this wire underneath, same that I have. So then we'll just have this hosing for the catch can coming across. This will be gone. But yeah, engine bay's looking great now. It's cheap to get this. It's $119 Australian. So yeah, it's really nice quality. No need to have a aftermarket can if you can just get this. So it's a great solution. I'll probably end up getting one myself. But yeah, just a really short, easy install. Obviously, not much to do. Just a short video today. So hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, make sure you put a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Evo 10 and Ralliart content. But I will catch you guys next time.